A divided start to the day, cloudy and mild in the north, cold and foggy in the south. The outlook warms up. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain. Next month. At the moment, it's cold because we have high pressure with us. That means the air is stagnant, it's not moving anywhere, it stays still. But there's hints that as we head into next month, we could have this thing called sudden stratospheric warming. Basically, the North Pole is very cold. The air spins around in a clockwise direction. But if it rapidly warms, and there are projections it could as we head into the middle of the month, we start to see the wind direction change. And it goes all the way from the upper atmosphere all the way down to the surface. So it disrupts the jet stream, which is normally from a mild westerly, and it could make us go easterly, bringing cold air from Siberia. So when we have one of these sudden stratospheric warming events, we often get a cold beast from the east. It coincides with some of the coldest weather we're experiencing in the UK. There are hints that one of these could happen in the middle of next month, meaning by the end of February we could turn colder. But at the moment, I'll keep my eyes on it and keep you posted. But the cold air we have with us is just down to this area of high pressure. It hasn't moved anywhere for a long time. We've just got cold air that's been moving in from the near continent. In contrast, actually, milder air set to drive around this high pressure, bringing less cold conditions later on this week. So temperatures back up to average, where they should be for the time of year. But what it means for today, the south still close to the high pressure with clear skies and light winds, a cold, foggy and frosty start to the day. Further north, weather fronts moving in. It is cloudier and milder, but with some outbreaks of rain and drizzle. So big temperature contrast this morning. -8 degrees for some central areas of the UK, with a little more cloud across the southeast. It's 12 degrees warmer at Heathrow Airport than it was with their record-breaking cold yesterday. A mild, cloudy, damp and drizzly start for Scotland and Northern Ireland. And for many of us, our peak performances where we were yesterday. The north, cloudy, dull, damp, but actually mild, 12 or 13 are high. In the south, the fog may linger, particularly through the West Midlands. Temperatures here struggling to rise above freezing. But tonight, yet again, clear cold with fog returning.